Okay, so how to reset a password in Active Directory. Here we go. So the first step is going to be logging on to our domain controller, of course. If you don't know what the domain controller is, it's basically the computer responsible, of coordinating and managing all the services kind of that happen on a domain. So in this case, we're just gonna go on to the server manager, which you can also find with a search if it's not already pinned on the menu. And then from here we go tools and users and computers, Active Directory users and computers, and we'll check our users or whatever OU the users would be put into, depending on the company, on the configuration, stuff like that. We're gonna check out, for example, Jacob. We wanna right click, reset password, and from here we can set up a new password. We can enforce the user to change the password on their next login. So if, for example, the user is not available at the moment, you're just resetting password but just temporarily, then they can change it back to whatever they want when they log out. Otherwise, there's also another option to unlock the user account if it has been locked. For example, when the user mistypes the password a few times, and that caused the Active Directory to lock the account. And in that case, obviously, won't be able to log in until the password is reset. So yeah, that's how to reset a password. We can also have a look at the properties real quick of the account. You can see you can enforce the user to not change the password. User must change the password. The next logon is the one we've already seen in the other menu. Password never expire. Now obviously every company most likely will have a policy for password expiration, usually around 2 to 3 months, so that users are forced to change the password every 2 to 3 months for security concerns, security purposes. Yeah, so that's all. That's how to reset password, and see you in the next video.